Yeah, there ain't never met nobody with a bond like you. I hope you 100 and all your love is true. Brought you all of them kicks like kung fu. Baby, for you anything I would do. Ain't never met nobody with a bond like you. I hope you 100 and all your love is true. Brought you all of them kicks like kung fu. Baby, for you anything I would do.
Mommy getting you dressed? With your little hearts on your pants? Huh? What you talking about? Put your feet down. Put your feet down. Put your foot down. Hey. Put your foot down. Who you yelling at? Get off the string. Don't touch. Hands to yourself. Alright? Hands to yourself, little one. You ready to go? Say I'm ready. Say hi to Kash game. Say what's up. Yami say hi. Heading out. Got the baby bag. See the drip. Wrong bass drip. Adidas. So we just got to Best Buy. Nick decided to come here, I guess, because it was an exit away. And Walmart is closer to the house. We could just go there quicker on the way back home. On the way to Best Buy. Hey, Stinky. Hey. Huh? Look at Nick's fit. I know it's a little blurry out here. Nice. All right. How's everything? That's why I always greets everyone. They so nice. Yeah. Looking at everything. Get the setups. Got to look at some good old TVs. We want to get the Samsung refrigerator with the TV. That's the one Nick wants. What's that? Oh, Kendrick's? Yeah, Nick ordered. Which one you ordered? What is it called? Something like a butterfly? Pimp like a butterfly. Yeah, Nick ordered to pimp a butterfly. But yeah, she long story short, she ordered that one when we still lived in New York. And what happened? We had moved before you got it or something? Or they took too long to send it or something? Looking at some of the TVs. We ain't flexing on this vlog. We ain't buying it today. We just looking, trying to see which ones would be good to buy. Cause we're gonna have to get a Samsung TV to make it compatible with the refrigerator. Ain't not that expensive neither. This one, what is this? 78. Oh, 72 racks. That's not bad though. That's big. What size is this one? 50. Oh, 50, I see it. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we're going to be taking a little tour around Best Buy. What you doing? Taking pictures of Yami. She over there taking pictures of Yami. We're going to be touring around Best Buy looking at TVs and whatnot. Looking at the refrigerators. Looking at some stoves, how I told y'all before. I know you could do it online, but we just like to get out. There don't be much to do out here. Give us something to do. Get out for the day. Because we both trying to be home with our child and raise her that way. Be in every moment of her life. That's one of the main reasons why we both want to do YouTube. So that way we could spend as much time with our child, you know, be involved in her life as much as possible, and raising her, seeing all the great moments as she grows. Right, Stinky? I'm not even looking. Now we get into the fun stuff. That's what I want to see. They don't got the one that you saw in the other Best Buy though. That's the one I wanted to see. Come this way. I don't think they got it. How much was that stove you saw at the other one too? It wasn't this one? $6.29. I think it is. Oh no. It's a Whirlpool. I didn't read it much. I know. She's talking about I never read. I do read. I do. I just look first. I was making that noise.
It ain't on.
Oh. About to say, if it's gonna blow up, I'm out. It'll blow up while I'm next to it. Or at least me and my folks. Nah, I'm playing. I want everybody to be safe, though. That was just a joke. Yami, you always eating on your strollers and stuff. You was eating your sneaker the other day in the other vlog. The refrigerator farted. They don't got the one we really came to see and wanted to show y'all. That we was looking at getting very soon once we move. We're gonna need a new vacuum cleaner too. Yo, what's the vacuum cleaner we got? Cause that one is trash. You don't know the name of it? Huh?
This refrigerator doing some crazy.
I'm just going. Wait, I was looking at us in the fridge. Close it back. Say hi to Kash came. They can see you through the fridge. Just wave. Just wave. Hey. You're not being nice to them. They gonna get you. She being mean. Check her fit though. She swagging. Nick the wagon. Nick the wagon, girl. Can I get like you when I get older? Let me hold those jokers. You know I want those.
I don't know why I bought them for this.
I bought them for you. Because I wanted you to have them. They didn't have my size. So hush your neck. That's my joints right there. I can still get them off StockX. And get a swag today. But yeah, we gonna probably come back at y'all once we leave out of here. Go to Walmart. Not even probably, we gonna go to Walmart. Yeah. They probably got some stuff in there too. They don't got refrigerators, do they? In Walmart? I don't know. Yeah. I'm gonna holler at y'all though, Kash game. We be back. What's up, Kash gang? We just got to Walmart and about to go on with my hey Stanky. You with mommy? You with mommy? We about to go on Walmart and go get her Pampers, get her milk. We said we need some grits, right? We need some breakfast tonight, y'all. Some grits, eggs, and kielbasa. Comment down below if y'all like kielbasa. I love kielbasa. We stopped eating bacon. We don't really eat pork like that no more. Probably just some what you call it? Some pulled pork and carnitas from Chipotle. I'm not drawing. Yami, come get a thumbnail. Get a thumbnail, Yami. Get a thumbnail with us. I don't know if it's record all of us. Walking in Walmart. AC always hitting in all these stores. We need a cart? Can I get the one to sit down? Let's just sit down and ride around Walmart. We can't sit down and ride around Walmart? It won't be appropriate? She said it won't be appropriate, you two. I mean, Kash gang, y'all not used to it. We're a family. can watch TV. All right. All right. They got the Subway hitting. We be getting little sandwiches too sometimes. Taking home, be a little snack when we food shop and whatnot. We ain't getting too much though. In and out, cause Walmart, man, you'll be in here for hours, bro. For two things. You wind up spending all your money coming in Walmart. Look at these two foods. I ain't wanna crash into nobody. Have to watch where I was going, y'all. But y'all comment down below and just let me know what y'all want to see. Besides the things that we have planned for y'all, I want to know what y'all want to see as well. Because we all lit together. We lit together. We lit. Yeah, that way. That much time. It's all your fault, Yami. Come here. You. Hello, miss. You did it. I saw you. Don't do who you yelling at. I saw you. I don't care what you're talking about. It's you. It's you. It's you. It's you. You did it, Yami. Yes, you did. Where you going, Stink? Where you going? Say hi. Say hi to Canwa. You're not gonna say hi to her? She be rude, y'all. Alright, so I guess we done in here. Oh, we gotta get the grits.
Yeah.
We gotta go get some grits. Come on, y'all, we ain't done yet. Oh, I don't wanna be knocking stuff down. Grits about to have a good old breakfast dinner, you know? Grits. Grits, y'all. Grits. Yeah. Fly, Yami. Fly, girl. Fly. Sprout them wings. Fly. Fly like a little butterfly. You're so cute. You're so pretty. You got her? Sure? Super mommy. She said, I got this. You vlogged today. I vlogged the other day too. We lit on KNY, y'all. Oh. Gotta push the cart. You done? That's it? Alright, so we done. We ain't really coming here for much. That's about it. That's all we really needed. I don't know what we'll probably do for the rest of the day. I might record something. Probably make a song or something. I want to soon shoot another video. I haven't shot a video in a long time. I might do that. Let's stay tuned. Kash King, so we got everything. Oh, sorry, y'all can't see me. We got everything and we heading out now. Go back to the crib, make some food, chill. Like I said, I probably record. Y'all stay tuned, might let y'all see all that too.